everyone, my name is Lương Thu. I'm going to present my workshop 3 about the company Sunsilk, a brand of Unilever. The first question is HRM roles in recruiting and retaining talent. I point out 3 main sections. The first one is job analysis and description. The second one is tactics for recruitment, and the last one is procedure for selecting. Move to the first section, job analysis and job description. Determine the number of personnel required for each role and identify the most appropriate and reasonable screening rates to reduce the number of candidates and save the company time and money. The second one is tactics for recruitment. Identify source and method of recruitment, campus recruitment and method of recruitment. In order to attract people in large number and high quality for a post that is currently vacant, with appropriate recruiting methods, organization must assess and pick which job position should be filled by individual from within the organization and which position should be filled by people from the outside or inside of the organization. For those who work in organization, when they hire others to work in the position that is higher than the existing ones, this move has a number of benefits, including increasing employee motivation and increasing job satisfaction, as well as increasing people commitment to the organization. When workers realize they have a chance for promotion, they will work with a new motivation and boost work process. Furthermore, rather than recruiting new personnel, this step helps maintain experienced individuals for the company long-term strategy. Training new employee costs money and time. There are 3 main benefits for external. The first one is introducing new employees to the company. Secondly is assisting a company in achieving its diversity objectives. And lastly is new perspectives and ideas are brought into the firm. After determining the specific role and the quantity of human resource recruit, we must assess whether campus recruitment, such as university and college, may be a good sort for candidates, especially for entry-level position. There will be personnel who have received a specific substantial training. About the recruitment channel, there are 4 ways to recruitment channel: internet, events, agency, and headhunter. About the selection process, the criteria development. Developing criteria entails deciding which source and information will be used during the interview, and some aspect of the job analysis and job definition may be criteria. This also includes personal and culture fit, which is a component of the criterion development process. This generally entails examining which skills and talents are necessary to succeed in any position. This step was previously used to establish a connection between the job application and the employees, and the criteria must be closely tied to the job analysis and specification about the skill, ability, qualification, and training, experience, demands, knowledge, and competency. About the application and summary review, people with various approaches to the procedure should be reviewed to reduce the amount of resume that must be examined and evaluated. The third session is interview. It is the most common technique of selection, and the goal is to analyze the candidate information in order to estimate how well they would perform at the organization. And it is the best chance for the interviewer and the candidate to build tight touch relationship and to show how well they participate would integrate into the company. About the test administration, some organizations do personal tests, physical tests, cognitive tests, and sometimes a background check to ensure that the company resource out of the highest possible quality. Making offer in order to extend an offer employment to an email applicant or a letter. The second question. First, we move to my company field of business. Sunsil is always focused on producing haircare product lines. So the market labor target is local workers, long-term retention, and flexibility. About the feature of labor market, about 70.5% of the population aged 15 and over who can participate in labor in the Red River Delta region. So most of them are low-educated people. About my firm hiring process is simple to find out new employees, long-term staff, careful selection, and lastly, well-trained test administrator. The student grades, the university and colleges with which is affiliated, and internship and postgraduate students are accepted. The manager position is a crucial position to facilitate, and employee might be sponsored to attend training in order to advance their career. Interviewing, my company interviewing always flexible depending on the worker ability and the position that they apply for. Thank you everyone